In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a form using the Instapage form library. By the end, you'll know how to find your existing forms and templates, insert the one you want into a page, and fine-tune its look so it matches your design. Start inside the Instapage editor and look to the left sidebar. Under the Assets section, click Form Library. This opens your full collection, showing any forms you've already created, along with ready-made templates you can start from. It's a great way to keep your forms consistent across pages and save time by reusing layouts you already trust. When you're editing a page in the Instapage Builder, you can open the form library the same way from that left sidebar. This keeps everything within reach while you're designing. Take a moment to browse your options, whether that's a saved form you use often or a template that fits the goal of your page. Hover over the form you want and click Insert. Instapage will add it directly onto your page canvas. Once it's on the canvas, you can drag the form into place to align it with your headline, images, or other sections. If you need a different footprint, resize it so the fields feel comfortable and easy to read. Remember, a clean layout with a clear path from the first field to the Submit button improves completion rates. Next, click the form on the page to reveal the Form Settings and Style panel. This is where you bring the design in line with your brand. Adjust colors for backgrounds, borders, and buttons so they're on brand, and keep contrast high for accessibility. Update text styles for labels and placeholders so they're legible and consistent with the rest of your page. If your Submit button needs more prominence, use the button layout controls to adjust its size, alignment, or spacing. A concise call to action on a clearly visible button can make a big difference. You can also manage visibility for desktop and mobile. If a specific form is only relevant on one device type, toggle visibility accordingly. Even when showing on both, aim for comfortable spacing on smaller screens and make sure labels and buttons remain easy to tap. That's all there is to it. You've opened the form library, chosen the form you want, inserted it onto your page, and styled it to fit your design while keeping desktop and mobile in mind. Use this workflow whenever you need a fast, consistent, and polished form experience inside Instapage.